So today I'm going to show you how to sell your stock on Robinhood, and we're going to be doing this through an iOS device. So just keep that in mind. If you are on Android, it might look a little different. Now this is a short and sweet video, so make sure you like and subscribe to the video to keep getting more content just like this. So here we're on the home page. We're actually toggled over here on the left hand on the bottom side here, which you'll load up here when you open up your app as well. Now, if we scroll down here, we're going to see a couple things. We see options, we see cash, we see crypto, and then we actually get to our actual stocks, which we have several over here. Now, if we actually want to sell some of our stock, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this. So we're actually going to go into one of our shares, which is actually with Robinhood for our example here right now. Okay, so from this page right over here, we're going to head over down to the bottom where it says trade. And then from here, it's going to give us some new options, and we're going to click on the sell option. So now it's going to bring up a whole new option of things that we can be plugging in here for us. And this is going to be automatically set to market order, which if you want to change into different types of orders, you can click on the share button up here and you'll see a bunch of different options. Of course, you could read through those, but today's example, we're just going to do a very quick and easy sell order through the market. So right here, it's going to ask us how many shares we want to sell. For our example here today, we're just going to click on one. It's going to tell us the current market price and the estimated credit, keeping in mind that as a market price, the price will fluctuate, so you're not always going to get that on time. Now for Robinhood, you're going to see two options here down at the bottom. It's going to be queued for later when the market is typically open, or you can actually trade it now because they do have the 24/5 market. Now, for example, I'm just going to show you what it looks like for queuing later. So if we click right over here, it's going to bring you to this section. But if you actually go ahead and click on the trade now, it's going to show it a little bit differently because it's going to take you to the limit order. So I just want to go back to the other option we were at and click on queue for later. Now it's only saying queue for later because I'm doing this technically off regular trading hours. So if this was regular trading hours, it would just say sell. And from here, we can go ahead and swipe up if everything is looking good. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And now it shows us that we have our order pending. Now, if you were already doing this during the regular trading day, this would sell right away for you. So then you can click on done. And now you have sold your share, or at least have it up and coming. You can see right over here for our example. Now, of course, there are a lot of different things you can do when it comes to utilizing your Robinhood account, such as withdrawing and some other features. So I'm going to have my video right up here for you to learn how to do more when it comes to utilizing your Robinhood account.